Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Sanjian Tarot. For this unboxing video, I have Journey to the Golden Realm by KHB Studio. All right, so I ordered this, pre-ordered this deck on January 2, 2026 from Tevada Tarot, and I received this deck on January 20, 2026. Now, I don't know what other decks KHB Studio created. Even when I looked up the studio, I really couldn't find anything except that the studio is based in Thailand. So I think whatever they created, whatever other decks they created may have been, I guess, Thai-based, Thailand, or from Thailand. And I don't know if any of those tarot decks ever made it to my side of the world. Maybe they're still relatively new as well, so that's probably why I haven't heard of them or haven't been able to find any other tarot decks that they may have created. All right, so let's see. Just checking on the condition, everything's fine. All right, so yeah, it's like, I think there's some gold foiling for the words, and I don't know if you can tell. That's actually, okay, so maybe you can't tell. Can you tell here? This is, no, it looks shiny from my point of view. So here's the back. This font is pretty damn small. I had to bust out my reading glasses and I still was barely able to read it. Was something about a lion cub opening up a portal to the Golden Realm. So yeah, that's all I gathered. All right, so the box is a magnetic wraparound. Ooh, not that much wraparound. All right, so I guess magnetic book style. All right, actually, okay, this is what was written in the back of the box. It's this story right here that's in the inside flap. So, yeah. Okay. And I don't think there's a guide. Ooh, that's an interesting color. Okay, I don't think there's a guidebook included with this. No, there wasn't a guidebook. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I don't think there was intended to be a physical guidebook. I just now remembered that Tevada Tarot emailed me the digital guidebook that was in a PDF form. I think it was like maybe a week after I received this deck. All right. Oh, did I show you the inside? No, I didn't show you. Okay. Yeah, here's the back part also of the box. Okay. And you could see, oh yeah, there's actually like instruments here on the inside. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, instruments and like a set of instruments here too. Okay. Yeah, nothing on the top or bottom, just plain. All right, so, ooh, yeah, these are new. Okay, so the edging is being a little bit sticky. So yeah, so this is what is called a matte teal. I wonder why it looks like that. Matte teal for the edging. Ooh, yeah, this is sticking. Yeah. So this is the matte teal. I have no idea why the deck is doing this. I guess I'm gonna find out, huh? Okay, ooh. And the back of the cards. Come on, focus. Okay. See, this has me curious. Why is the deck doing this? No real reason. I don't think there's anything wrong with... Maybe it's the card. Is it the card? Well, there's nothing... I don't know why it's doing that. It just won't... Okay, maybe it's the way they were printed in batches and... Okay. All right. Okay, so there are only 78 cards in this deck from what I read on the Tevada Tarot page of this specific deck. Okay. So for the artwork, I have no idea. It was never described if it was hand-drawn or digitally drawn through an art app on the on a computer, or if it was, or if AI was involved. That was not stated on the campaign page. This was not part of a campaign on the Tevada Tarot page. So I guess it's drawn. I don't know if it's hand drawn, digitally drawn, but you know what? I don't know. I don't know if AI was involved or not involved. The size of these cards are 70 millimeters by 120 millimeters. That's an interesting hanged man. Okay. And the GSM is 350. Now, according to the website, the texture and finish is art paper with a matte finish. Ooh, it's a flying ship. And one on the water. Oh, that's neat. So I guess you'd have to decipher that this is an 8 of Wands based on the scenery. So as you can see, the, I guess, theme of this is supposed to be styled after Myanmar, the country. And the website called it a Burmese tarot. And yeah, I had to look up how Burmese was related to Myanmar, and Burmese is the language that the Myanmar people speak. Yeah. Yes, I had to look it up. Okay, it took a while for me to see the cups. Okay, it looks like they're, for the 5 of cups, it looks like they're at the bottom. 5 cups are actually, not 5 cups, 3 cups are upright and 2 of them are spilled over. I don't know if you could see that, but you see there's 2 behind this person's feet, and here in this other corner there's 1 that is still filled, and only 2 of them are spilled over. So it's little, this 5 of cards is actually different in that there are 3 cups upright and 2 that are spilled over. Seems a little bit dark. I don't know if it's my lighting or what. It seems a little bit dark to me to see the 8 of cups at the bottom. Okay. Good Lord, those swords. And that's interesting. I don't think this person is blindfolded, just simply has closed eyes. Okay. Not even bound, just eyes closed, surrounded by the swords. Interesting. All right, so yeah, Myanmar, Myanmar themed, but still based on Rider-Waite-Smith style of tarot. So, yeah, but I like the images. I'm really not a fan of anthropomorphic animals. This one isn't as bad. It's kind of weird of me to say that since I actually like the BoJack Horseman show. So, yeah, let's see. All right, I just wanted to make sure all the cards are there. I wasn't paying attention as I was speaking because I think I've said before I can't multitask. I think it's fine. Okay, yeah, and I think at this point I did pay attention. All right. Actually, you know what? Just to be sure. All right, so yes, only 78 cards. Yeah, so there's that slight difference, especially with that 5 of Cups card, the one where instead of 3 cups that are spilled, it's only 2 cups that are spilled. So there's just some ever so slight differences in that. I guess the number of cups turned over, which I've seen before. I've actually seen where 1 cup was only upright and the 4 were actually spilled over in another deck. So yeah, everybody's got their differences in drawing Rider-Waite-Smith tarot decks. So yeah, yeah, this 8 of Wands, this one kind of threw me off. I'm just used to seeing like actual 8 wands, 8 sticks, 8 stabs. Come on, focus. Visible instead of, I guess, just a big old ship. So I guess the wings are supposed to represent the 8 stabs or the 8 wands, since that's what makes up the wings, the wing part, the 2 wings, right? Yes, it's referring to the wings. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I interpreting that right? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, 10 of Wands. Yeah, this 10 of Wands is, yeah, interesting because it looks like this. If I could just get the. All right. Yeah. So. Why can't I level this correctly for you guys? Anyway, yeah, this is the 10 of Wands. I don't know how to interpret this as burden, since it's not actually on top of a person. They're just, I guess, lit poles along a path. So I don't know how this is meant to represent, I guess, burdens, 10 of Wands. Yeah, so I guess that's a big difference there from the Rider-Waite-Smith interpretations. Yeah, so it's not too bad, I guess. Maybe, yes, no. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess if the slight, ever so slight differences, and with the way the interpretations are for these are minor enough for you to get past, and yeah, this deck is a pretty. I like this Myanmar theme, or I guess Burmese theme. I mean, yeah, look at these Two of Swords, but this person looks like they're holding practically machetes. Oof, like retractable machetes, if you can look closely. Like, wow. Yeah, this person doesn't want to mess around. Yeah, all right, so let's do a shuffle test. So these are on the thicker side. Let's see, riffle, can I riffle? Ooh, okay. No, maybe a side riffle would be better for these. Okay, it's not bent. Please don't bend. All right, I guess a slow side riffle shuffle. I don't want to, I'm afraid I'm going to accidentally bend these. No, okay, okay. All right. All right, and hand-to-hand shuffle. Okay, yeah, they don't feel as sticky. These are matte finish, according to the Tevada Tarot's page. Okay, yeah, okay, feel pretty good. All right, and the guidebook, there wasn't a was there a QR code? No, there wasn't a QR code. Yeah, no QR code. So I actually had no idea that Tevada Tarot would be sending me the PDF form of the guidebook. The package, when I received this, did include a QR code for Tevada Tarot's general guide for the tarot descriptions of the Rider-Waite-Smith tarot deck. So I guess you'll be getting two guidebooks. One is a general one that gives you the basic Rider-Waite-Smith, and then one that is actually describing this specific deck. It's a genuine Journey to the Golden Realm guidebook, just digital PDF form that will come later after ordering it from Tevada Tarot. So yeah, I thought this was a pretty good deck. Nice, good theme for this deck. And I like that it's borderless. Yeah, just noticing now, yeah, borderless. And it looks like I guess the descriptions, the little like title banners are not blocking any important parts of the artwork, which I found happens in some borderless decks. So that's pretty good. Yeah, I like it when they're careful about that when it comes to borderless decks. So anyway, as I said before, these are available at Tevada Tarot and also at Tevada Tarot's Etsy store, links of which are included in the description below. So that is the end of this unboxing video. I hope you got something out of it, as well as my brief first impressions of Journey to the Golden Realm Tarot by KHB Studio. See you in the next video.